Module 5, Turning Insight into Deliberate Career Progression. At this point, we have discussed how responsibility changes as your career moves forward. We have examined the leadership ladder. We have looked at what qualifications supports credibility. And we have explored how exposure signals capability. But understanding these three ideas only matters if you turn them into action. So here is a simple way to think about your career progression deliberately. It is a 3-step method to help you plan your next move. So, step 1 is clarity. You need to understand the level of responsibility that you are currently operating at. Not your job title, but your actual level of responsibility. Are you delivering defined work? Are you shaping how that work is being delivered? Or are you influencing what work should be delivered in the first place? Is it outputs, outcomes, strategy? Once you see where you are, it becomes much easier to plan for your next move. Step 2 is identifying the gap. Look at the level above you and ask the direct question. What decisions am I being trusted to make? The gap usually appears in 3 areas: capability, exposure, and credibility. Capability is your knowledge and judgment. Exposure is your visibility and decision making. Credibility is where you're trusted at that level. Once you see that gap, you know what to work on next. Step 3 is deliberate positioning. So instead of waiting for the opportunity, you move yourself closer to the decisions that define the next level. If you take one idea from this course, take this. Early in your career, you are entrusted to deliver work. Later, you are trusted to shape how that work succeeds. And eventually, you are entrusted to decide what work should exist at all. Progression happens when you prepare for the next level before you are even asked. And this is the difference between reacting to your career and directing it to move forward. And that is the purpose of the Project Management Career Map, to make progression visible so that you can move through it deliberately.